All right, parents, gather around because today we have something super exciting planned for you and your little scientists. Ready to bring a bit of science magic into your home? This is not just any ordinary project, it's a hands-on, fun-filled adventure that will spark curiosity and learning. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own DIY volcano. Yes, you heard that right. A volcano right in your living room. It's fun, educational, and a perfect project for you and your kids to enjoy together. Plus, it's a fantastic way to introduce them to the wonders of chemistry and geology. First things first, here's what you'll need. Gather all your materials so we can get started without any interruptions. A small plastic bottle. This will act as the core of our volcano. Baking soda, which will be our main reactive ingredient. Vinegar, the catalyst for our eruption. Dish soap, to enhance the bubbly effect. Red food coloring to give our lava that fiery, realistic look. A tray or large dish to contain the mess. Trust me, this will get a bit messy, but that's part of the fun. Sand or modeling clay to shape the exterior of our volcano. This will make it look more realistic and add to the fun of building it. Got everything? Great! Let's get started. This is where the real fun begins. Step 1. Place your plastic bottle in the center of the tray. This will be the core of our volcano, where all the action happens. Make sure it's stable and won't tip over during the eruption. Now, using the sand or modeling clay, shape a volcano around the bottle. This is where you can get creative. Make it as tall or as wide as you like. Make sure to leave the bottle opening exposed at the top. This is crucial for our eruption to work properly. Step 2. Time to make our lava mixture. This is where the magic happens. Add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. You might want to use a funnel to avoid any spills and make it easier. Funnels are great for keeping things tidy and ensuring all the baking soda gets into the bottle. Next, add a few drops of dish soap. This will help create more bubbles and make the eruption really impressive. The dish soap is what makes the lava frothy and exciting to watch. Step 3. Now, for that volcanic color. Pour in a few drops of red food coloring to give our lava that fiery look. You can add more or less depending on how intense you want the color to be. Ready for the grand finale? This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Step 4. Pour some vinegar into the bottle and watch the magic happen. The reaction is almost instantaneous. As the vinegar reacts with the baking soda, it'll create a bubbly, fizzy eruption that looks just like real lava. How cool is that? So what's happening here? Let's break it down. When baking soda, a base, meets vinegar, an acid, they react to form carbon dioxide gas. This gas builds up quickly. The gas builds up and the only way out is through the bottle opening, causing our bubbly eruption. It's a fantastic demonstration of a chemical reaction. Science is amazing, isn't it? It's incredible how simple household items can create such a spectacular reaction. Remember, always supervise your little ones during this experiment and make sure they wear safety goggles and gloves. Safety first. So there you have it. A simple, fun, and educational way to bring a bit of volcanic excitement into your home. It's a project that's sure to be a hit with the kids. Give it a go and let me know how your kids enjoyed it. Share your experiences and maybe even some photos of your volcanic creations. This is a great way to spend quality time together while learning something new. Who knows? You might inspire a future scientist. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep having fun with science.